Hey gang, it's Leda Lum here, and today we're going to try the Aqua Stamp. It's like a derma roller but with serum, and I made a hyaluronic acid and also B5, which is hydrating, and also some peptide serum. We're going to pour that in and we're going to see how we like it. It's a little scary. Let's do it. So we got a 0.5 millimeter, just comes with one. This is like $16. I'll put links to where I got these in the description. And there's a 0.25 millimeter, and I know that Jen Amber has a few different sizes as well. I know she has a 1 milliliter, which I haven't been able to find anywhere else. I'll link to these in the description, and all the ingredients that I also use for making the serum. So here's our hyaluronic acid gel with B5, which is very moisturizing. It pulls in moisture to your skin, as well as a peptide mixture that I got from Lotion Crafters, a few different peptides for wrinkles and firming. I just made this today. 20 milliliters of distilled water, and then I'm measuring out our DL panthenol from Lotion Crafters, which is B5, and I'm using 0.1 gram. Putting that in and mixing it up first, and then I'm going to measure out 1% of hyaluronic acid, high molecular weight, which is 0.2 grams. And you can also get this from Lotion Crafters as well. I just have mine from Bulk Supplements. Mix that in. This is where it gets tricky to dissolve, so I'm just using my little whisker. It's really frothy, but it'll settle down. So 10 minutes later, the bubbles are gone. Then I'm getting our Syn TC. This is our peptide blend from Lotion Crafters. They're having a sale right now, and there's a link to this also in the description. Then we have our 2 Hydra needles, or aqua needles, whatever you want to call it. There's the 0.25. I'll link these also in the description, and a 0.5. They look very similar. They're both about $15, and I'm going to spray them with my alcohol 90%, just make sure they're disinfected. This is where the needles, squirting on both sides, inside as well. I'm just going to let them sit and dry for like half an hour. And here's the 0.25, and I can barely, it's not doing really anything. So I decided to do the 0.5, which I actually feel it doing something, so that's good. And look, it actually pricked a little blood, so let's use that one. Not that it needs to bleed, I just actually feel it. First, you disinfect your skin, which normally when I do derma stamping, I just disinfect my stamper, but today I'm going to disinfect the skin a little bit too. I did cleanse my skin, cotton ball some alcohol, oh dear. I kind of feel okay about it though, because I'm putting serum in right away, so maybe it'll be fine. That's the cool thing about the Aqua Stamp, is that you're pushing the serum in right away. Apparently the holes in your skin that you're making do close up pretty quickly. Whoa, this 90% is pretty intense. Maybe certainly more efficient. It feels easier to do, because it's all in one than if you just put the serum on afterwards. Maybe it's different. Maybe it's better. Whoa, that stings. I didn't like that very much. I know they have a wash, a facial wash, that is what surgeons use to cleanse the skin. I know you can get it at like drugstores, so I'll link to that. And here's what it's called right here, because I can't remember. So maybe I would cleanse my skin with that rather than alcohol. Oh my God, that was terrible. So I would put the alcohol on. I'm not sure, just because it's the first time I did that, just precaution. I've never really had like issue. And then we're putting in my hyaluronic B5 peptide serum we just made. Whoa, very exciting. There's a little thing that you push here, and it like extracts the serum, and there's those little holes here. Another thing I like is the Jim Amber does it like really fast. So I'm gonna try that. Okay, serum's not coming out. This is tricky. Gin Amber, it seems like it comes out really nice. So maybe they're definitely cheaper than Gin Ambers, so maybe this is why. Okay, I just added a little bit more distilled water because it was not coming out at all. It looks like it flows really well. Gin Amber's one. I'm gonna have to get one of hers. Okay, now it's coming out. So you just have to make the serum maybe a little less viscous. And it feels just like my Banish Derm Stamp. It's definitely 0.5. Along the eyebrow. She goes along her eyebrow. Ooh. Yeah, okay, now I got the serum coming out. See the other side of my forehead. Kind of like going fast. Right along there, those expression lines. Cheeks, guys. Oh my gosh. Still a bit painful. Ooh, yeah. Up along here. Yeah, barely any is coming out. So these are like for very liquid serums that are super liquid, because I'm surprised at how little is coming out of this. Look how look at this. That's how much I used. So I'm just gonna pour some into my hand that I'm disinfecting. And then put it on my face. Oh god. Oh. Oh, I got like an itchy spot right there. I'm allergic to it. Definitely getting red. It's just like jumping into cold water. If you just do it fast, it's less of a thing. Okay, I'm gonna come from here, along this cheek. Ooh boy. It's not terrible, but this is the 0.5. The 0.2 just seems so small, but now I can see how maybe it wouldn't have been terrible. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna do my nose. Apparently it's supposed to help with blackheads. I don't exactly see how. Along the nose always seems a little difficult. Ah! But actually that's the nice thing about these are such a small stamp. Weird, it is coming out now. Woo! My mouth is watering because of the pain. Okay, along my lip. Oof. Under eyes, you guys. Okay. Doable. Definitely doable. Other side. I don't know if I disinfected my neck. I'm just gonna make sure. Whew. Okay, I'm gonna pour a little bit. Rub it on my face, especially under here. Okay, guys, neck. Definitely like going along these lines. I do feel like it's having an effect on the already creased skin. Okay, it's definitely coming out now. Now I'm experiencing that it is coming out. Since we have so much left, look at that. That's as much as coming out. We're gonna have to get Jim Ambers, you guys. Okay, they gotta get around your ear. Those wrinkles on the side of your ears from the weight of your ears, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna go over one more time. The little extra serum along my necklace lines. It's not so bad anymore. Maybe it's just my neck isn't as sensitive. Is that true? I don't know. All right, I'm gonna get along my lips now, guys. More serum. More serum. More serum. More slippery hyaluronic acid serum. Okay, I'm just gonna go right over it. I'm gonna do my upper lip a lot. Oh gosh. Look at my lip all plumpy. Ooh, lip tingles. Very tingled. It definitely gets less painful. Like it's just like no big deal. Especially if you go fast like this. I think I'm into it, guys. I like this. Barely used even half. I'm smeared everywhere again. And then I'm gonna put on the LUX. Whoa. And then we'll put a few drops of our LUX Nourishing Beauty Oil. Oh yeah. Gonna press that in over our hyaluronic acid serum. Feel nice and hydrating. Oh yeah. Smells delicious. Let's put some more in. Can't live without my Lux. Wow. Oh yeah. With the oil on, it definitely feels like there's a soothing effect, so that's good. It calms the sort of burning that was happening, so that's nice. LUX Nourishing Beauty Oil has 10% hexyldecylacetate, the oil-soluble vitamin C. It definitely got my upper lip real good. Hopefully that helps. This one, it seems like there's a little thing that gets pushed in, and that lets the serum out. While as Gin Amber's, it seems like the whole top platform sinks in. So I gotta get hers and try that. But yeah, I think it's an interesting device, actually. I'm not sure if it's that much better than, you know, if you just have the serum on and you stamp over the serum, maybe it's not really doing much different. It seems efficient. Clearly I didn't get much. I wanted more of it. You know, there was like, look, I still have some in there. Still! So there you go, there's my first impressions of the Derma Stamp. Not bad, not bad. I guess my conclusion is I gotta try Gin Amber's. So 2 days after the Derma Stamping with the Aqua Stamp, it gave me a little bit more bumps. Like they're still there a little bit. They're pretty much gone, but this day after definitely was more red along my necklace lines. Maybe I should try the Dr. Pen next. I definitely experienced more bumps than when I just do my Banish gold-plated Derma Stamp and my LUX Nourishing Beauty Oil afterwards. Maybe it's the hyaluronic acid gel that I used, or maybe the needles were more irritating than the Banish stamp, but it's getting better now, a few days after. And I hope that you enjoyed that. Seeing me all get red in the face, and hopefully you're not, you know, you're feeling a little bit more comfortable at trying it out and seeing if you like that better than your derma roll or your other derma stamp or whatever you're doing. So there you go. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Bye. Hyaluronic, 0.25 and 0.6. So I don't know if it's because the pantothetic, what is it called? So that's it, gang. Very interesting, the difference there. LUX Nourishing Beauty Oil from my brand, you guys. Links to that, of course, in the description. With hyaluronic, LUX Nourishing Beauty Oil is 10% tetra. Hey, gang. Okay.